This how your trunk's supposed to look, man. You know, open your trunk. You know, you say they stuff be slamming. Man, I done seen dudes open their trunk up and just like, man, it's just like wires everywhere, like ridiculous, man. This is how your trunk should look. You know, in every car I do as if it was my own car. You don't see nothing, you know, wires everywhere, just hanging, everything zip tied. You know, looking, look good, man. You know, you open your trunk up, you know, shit look professional. You know, that's how I roll. So, but like I said, had the tweeters up there, you know, all this look good, man. Like I said, I'm gonna wipe these panels down. I got my shampoo right here. I'm gonna shampoo my carpet and just start putting this car back together. Call it one, man. I think I did this. I've been on night shift for a week, 2 weeks now. I think I started on this on my car like 3 weeks ago. So just in 3 weeks, I got this completed. So, but yeah, man. Anybody say they got that slam in their trunk and they open it up, it don't look like this. You see wires everywhere. I don't care what nobody says. You got slam all you want. If it ain't looking good in the trunk, man, hey, your car ain't complete, bro. So, you need your car there, man. I'm gonna put my phone number up on my page. Hit me up. That's all I do on the side. Straight call, yo. But once I get all this in, man, I'll be getting y'all another final video of everything. So, I'll let you.